Hello, could I get 500 grams of fresh chicken, please?
Here is your fresh chicken, ma'am.
Thank you very much. We are going to gently roast these whole spices. This will release their beautiful aroma into the oil. You want to keep them moving so they do not burn. This is the secret to a flavorful curry. Now we'll add in the freshly chopped onions. Give them a good stir with the spices. They're already smelling incredible. Just cook them until they become soft. This is exactly what we're looking for. Now we'll add the chopped ripe tomatoes. Mix them thoroughly with the onions. We need to stir this continuously. The tomatoes will soften into a rich masala. This forms the base of our dish. Now let's add a fresh spoonful of ginger garlic paste. Patiently stir everything together. Now add some fresh tomato puree. Now add the blended masala.